Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Investing in Global Bond Funds, a guide to diversification and returns. Global bond funds are investment portfolios that buy bonds from companies and governments around the world. They're a key part of many investor strategies because they offer a way to diversify and earn regular income. These funds can help reduce risk by spreading investments across different countries and industries. They also provide a chance to tap into growing economies and earn higher yields than what's available in your local market. This video will cover the basics of global bond funds, how they work, and what you should consider when investing in them. You'll learn how to use these funds to create a more balanced portfolio and potentially boost your returns. Types of global bond funds. When it comes to investing in global bond funds, you have several options to choose from. Each type of fund has its own unique characteristics, advantages, and risks. Understanding these differences is key to making informed investment decisions. So, what are the main types of global bond funds? Let's take a closer look. Government bond funds. Government bond funds invest in bonds issued by governments around the world. These bonds are considered to be very low risk as they are backed by the credit of the issuing government. The main advantage of government bond funds is that they provide a fixed income stream, which can be attractive to investors seeking regular returns. For example, if you invest in a government bond fund that tracks U.S. Treasury bonds, you can expect to receive regular interest payments. This can be a great option for investors who want to reduce their risk and generate predictable income. Some of the key characteristics of government bond funds include low risk, fixed income, backed by government credit, diversification across different countries and governments. Government bond funds can be a great way to add stability to your portfolio, especially during times of economic uncertainty. Corporate bond funds. Corporate bond funds invest in bonds issued by companies around the world. These bonds are considered to be higher risk than government bonds, as they are not backed by government credit. However, corporate bond funds can offer higher yields to compensate for this increased risk. This can be attractive to investors seeking higher returns, as long as they are willing to take on more risk. For example, if you invest in a corporate bond fund that tracks high-yield bonds, you may be able to earn higher interest payments than you would with a government bond fund. Some of the key features of corporate bond funds include higher yields, higher risk, diversification across different companies and industries, potential for long-term capital appreciation. Corporate bond funds can be a great way to add diversification to your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns, but it's essential to carefully evaluate the risks and rewards before investing. Investment strategies for global bond funds. When investing in global bond funds, it's essential to have a well-planned strategy in place. This involves considering various factors such as risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. By developing a solid investment strategy, you can maximize your returns and minimize potential losses. So, what are some effective investment strategies for global bond funds? Let's explore two key approaches: diversification and active management. Diversification. Diversifying a portfolio with global bond funds can reduce risk and increase potential returns. By spreading investments across different countries, industries, and bond types, you can create a more balanced portfolio. Think of it like a well-diversified dinner plate. With a mix of different food groups, you're less likely to experience a nutritional imbalance. Similarly, with a diversified portfolio, you're less likely to experience significant losses if one particular investment performs poorly. For example, If you invest in a global bond fund that includes a mix of government and corporate bonds from different countries, you can reduce your exposure to any one particular market or sector. Some benefits of diversification include reduced risk, increased potential for long-term returns, improved portfolio balance, access to a broader range of investment opportunities. By diversifying your portfolio with global bond funds, you can create a more resilient investment strategy that's better equipped to weather economic storms. Active management. Active management plays a crucial role in global bond funds, as it involves a fund manager actively selecting bonds and adjusting the portfolio to maximize returns. This approach can be beneficial in today's fast-changing market environment, where interest rates and bond yields can fluctuate rapidly. An experienced fund manager can help you navigate these changes and make informed investment decisions. For instance, if a fund manager identifies a particular bond as undervalued, they can purchase it and potentially sell it at a higher price later, generating a profit for the fund. Some key considerations for active management include manager selection. Choosing a skilled and experienced fund manager is critical to the success of an actively managed global bond fund. Research and analysis. The fund manager should have a deep understanding of the bond market and be able to conduct thorough research and analysis to make informed investment decisions. Flexibility. An actively managed fund should be able to adapt quickly to changes in the market, such as shifts in interest rates or bond yields. By combining active management with a diversified portfolio, you can create a powerful investment strategy that helps you achieve your financial goals. And that wraps up part 1. Now you've got a solid understanding of global bond funds. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll go into more detail on how to pick the right global bond fund for your investment goals. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.